I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, I have taken up 3 examples, and these are kind of special lines. Let us try to understand how to sketch graph of these lines. Question is, sketch the graph of following lines. A, x equals to 5, B, y equals to minus 2, and C is 2x plus y equals to 0. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So let me begin by sketching coordinate plane. Let's say this is our x-axis here and y-axis. And before sketching these graphs, let me kind of make x values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for y. I'm giving you time so that you can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions, right? So I'm just creating a grid here where we are going to soon sketch these lines, okay? Let's begin with the very first one. X equals to 5. What do you think this line will look like? When we say x equals to 5, that really means that all values, all the points will have x value as 5. So this line basically is a vertical line where all the values are 5. So this line could be sketched as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a vertical line which goes through x equals to 5. The x-intercept is 5 in this case, right? So that becomes the line which is x equals to 5. Okay, so x equals to 5 is a vertical line. Slope is undefined. There is no y-intercept, and x-intercept is 5, right? X-intercept is 5. Now let's look into the second line, which is y equals to minus 2. I hope you guessed it. Y equals to minus 2 should be a horizontal line where the y value is minus 2, right? So that is y equals to minus 2. So this one is a horizontal line. And what is the slope of this line? Slope is 0, right? So slope is 0, it's horizontal. How about x-intercept and y-intercept? X-intercept is none, so it is parallel to x-axis, none, right? And the y-intercept is at minus 2, right? So that is the y-intercept of minus 2. Here the x-intercept was 5. Do you see that? So that is how you sketch these lines. These are very special lines, and you'll see they are perpendicular also, horizontal and vertical lines. Now let's look into the third example, which is 2x plus y equals to 0. Now in such cases, what we should do is we can kind of make a table of values, right? So the equation given to us is 2x plus y equals to 0. We can write it as y equals to minus 2x. Right? Let's rearrange. In that case, let me take some x values, and then we'll find the y values, which is minus 2 times x. So we'll make kind of a table, and in this table we'll not take more values, just 3 or 5 is maximum good enough, right? So let's take values like x equals to minus 1. If I take x as minus 1, then minus 2 times minus 1 will give us plus 2. If I take 0, then minus 2 times 0 is going to give me 0. If I take 1, then minus 2 times 1 is going to give me a value of minus 2. So we get 3 coordinate points. Using these 3 coordinate points, we can actually sketch this line. So first one, minus 1, 2. So at minus 1, the value is 2, so we get this as our point. At 0, we get 0. And the third one is 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2, right? So that's the line. So joining them, we get a line which represents the equation 2x plus y equals to 0, right? You will note that in this equation, if we find x and y intercept, what do we get? To find the x intercept, y value should be 0, right? So if I write y equals to 0, I get x also equals to 0. To find y intercept, I have to substitute x equals to 0. If I write x as 0, y is 0 also. So origin is, that is 0, 0 is my x and y intercept, correct? So if I find x and y intercept, I get only 1 point. Normally, equations given in standard form, if you find x and y intercept, and if that is not the origin, those will be two different points, and they will help you to sketch a line. But in cases like this, where origin is both x and y intercept, you need to find some other points also. Connecting origin with that point will give you the line. So that is what we get from this video. So I hope you understand and appreciate that x equals to, in general, if I write x equals to a, it is a horizontal line. If I write y equals to b, if I write x equals to a, it is a vertical line, right? And if I write y equals to b, it is a horizontal line, where the y-intercept is b, correct? So that is how you could get horizontal and vertical lines, and in such cases, these relations are called direct relations, where the graph goes through the origin, right? So in direct relation, it is a good practice to take a couple of points and then draw the line as we did here with the help of a table. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. You can always subscribe and share my videos to learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.